Certainly, thank you, Steve. It's an honor to be here and to share on this topic. And, you know, it's really a privilege to be in community. It seems like the cohort is always built around the right people at the right time coming together. And that was certainly my experience in Certificate 1. In fact, that's been 6.5 years now. And every Saturday, I still get together with 3 of those folks, and we take turns tending dreams, having our dreams tended, documenting or recording or just witnessing. And, you know, having seen Steve work a number of dreams before and having read the book, I did not always have comfort in knowing what move to make when. So really the practice of being able to do this in a cohort community where we're intensively building those skills helped me learn that the more tools we put in our toolbox, the lighter the toolbox becomes. And there develops an intuitive way of working with dreams. But much more than that, much more than the technical aspects are the opening up that happened with an awareness of guides or helpers that are always accessible to us, and rarely before then had I had the practice in cultivating the gifts. And when I say guides or helpers, I'm talking about knowledge available through ancestors, through representatives of the animal kingdom, through archetypal energies of different kinds, and even the soul of place as it moves in the landscape of the dream time. All of these entities deepen in a certificate program. They come to life, they have an autonomy of their own. And what we're able to do is the attention that we give feeds the life of these images. And these images in turn deepen. We deepen our relationship with these images and get to witness as some of these energies or guides or settings begin to interact with one another. So noticing the individuation or the developing of these images. Steve talked about turning the question to who is visiting now. We see that these images not only visit, but over time they develop, they change, they individuate. So the gifts of being able to work with that, and at the end of a certificate program to have something of a portfolio of those experiences that becomes portable into the next phase of life. And as Carla said, to really transform waking life as well. Thank you.